Hey, welcome again to Hilda My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I have to take a drink, my mouth gets dry. Today is the last video of Enjoysells, and I enjoy myself buying this cross stitch. So this is the last 4 of a series of 12 cross stitch that I bought from the website. Is on the video, and we're gonna start. The first one is a 31 by 33 and it's called Strawberry, also 14 counts. I like 14 count better because of the detail. It happens with the squares diamond paintings for me. Take a look at these strawberries. I love strawberries, and Mickey does too. He likes them, but they have to be right, perfect. If it's too much done, he doesn't like it, and if it's not ripe, he doesn't like it. It's a beautiful one, 31 by 37, and this one has the shiny paper. Look at all that back stitching. And we're going to do some French knot on these ones too. Take a look at these round ones. Those round circles, those are French knots. And there's a lot of back stitch. And this is the second part. Yeah, here it is. It has 25 full stitch collars, has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 back stitch, and the French knot. This is the other side, the bottom part of the chart for the cross stitch. So now let's take a look at this. Even though it's a 31 by 33, it's not that big. And the numbers are clear. The numbers on the fabric of the colors. Because that number, this number is the same number as you're gonna find in here. Okay, the numbers at the top over here is the numbers are the numbers from the card that the thread comes in. So, and the symbols are very clear. You still have to be careful. Let me see. The 2 X's are different. We have these symbols. I usually get confused when the one going up and down. So there is no. You see, this one is different color than this one. And this one has a lot of confetti, more than usual. And it has all these rounds. These ones are not to be confused with this one, because let me show you something here. Let's see if I can put you closer and you can see it better. Okay, you see that round black one? It's a collar. these are colors, but this one, the color with the round, you know, border of another color means that it's a French knot. Excuse me. I hope I don't have a wasp in here. Oh yes, I do. I'm gonna have to stop for a moment, okay? I'll be right back. I'm sorry guys, but I cannot be stung by a wasp or a bee. I'm diabetic, I'm very sensitive. So it was behind the shades and I start swapping it with the broom, and well, my husband's gonna have to fix that. I hope she's dead. The last time I saw it alive at the bottom part, but I swap it again, so I don't know, and I don't dare to find out. But definitely I cannot be stung by them. I know they have the right to live, but me too. Okay, so we were talking about these where I am, this, what the hell happened over here? I was talking about these rounds one, right, that had the circle around the collar. Those are usually French knot, but these are not. Okay, these are French knots. So let's take a look at the, here is the 2 needles, right? We said that it has 27 colors. That's what we said. Let me double check. Well, actually it has, well, it has 27 colors, including the back stitch. So yes, we are including the back stitching here. So let's start seeing this. Here they are. Look at those beautiful colors. Strawberries, greens, and flowery colors. Green, reds, and orange. The orange were for the, and the red for the strawberries. So here is some more colors. I love the shine on these threads. So this is the first one. From Joy Sunday of the third video, the third installments of these videos. I'm gonna post the link to the other two so you can see it. I like this strawberry. Maybe I shouldn't put this inside, so it will come out easier. It will come in easier. Come on. Get in, get in, get in. So here's the first one. Let's go to the second one. Oh, I like this one. It's called Autumn Base. Let's get it out. I like to get the whole thing out because the plastic doesn't help with the light. A lot of shine. So this is a 23 by 30, so this one is going to be longer than wider. It's a 23 by 30. It's going to have some back stitch, and it definitely has a lot of autumn colors. I like it because it's kind of a typical one. This one has the paper that I like, not that shiny stuff. Yes, you have a lot of back stitching over here, but I don't see any French knot in here. Let's see. You have 25 full stitch, 1 half stitch, and 1 back stitch. So that's neat. The half stitch is for down here at the bottom part. Here it is. That's where the half stitch goes. Let's see the fabric. It should not be that big. Yep. 23 by 30. Here it is. A lot of confetti in the flowers. A lot of confetti in the flowers. The block stitch. This is a half stitch. Yeah. This is a half stitch area. But this is gonna be pretty. There's a lot of confetti, but you can distinguish the image over here. And yeah, we have the 2 needles. They're just close to the top. I guess I want to try to come out. Here they are, the 2 needles. Here are those wonderful autumn colors for that base, and the colors for the flowers. I'm looking around so to see if the wasp is still in here, but this is what I mean. Look at those beautiful autumn colors. And I'm so satisfied. Even though I did a small one cutting the cup because it was my first try of Joy Sunday. I'm also gonna post a video in here at the end. I'm very well satisfied. Still yet have to do a big one. Well, the big ones that I'm doing, one is Joy Sunday, the mermaid, and so far so good. Here's more autumn colors for that. I'm assuming this is for the base. And this is gonna be a beautiful one. It's gonna have some beautiful autumn colors. I should start doing the autumn ones. What do you think? So I can get ahead of the game. Because time flies when you're having fun, especially with your craft. Right? For those new ones to my channel and to cross stitch, stamp cross stitch, Joy Sunday has the full instructions on the back. right? On how many strands you use and how do you pull the strands, the threads from the strands. And this is for printed or stamp, as we call it, and this is for unprinted or counted cross stitch, as we say it. And how you stitch on unprinted cloth, and some instructions, some note. It tells you that the color on the print, I'm gonna first of all tells you not to use a frame. In other words, not to use a hook. Second, it tells you to make embroidery easier, the color on the printed cloth, use contrast color, which is different from the color of the real design. Okay, so that's why all those nice and bright colors. And also tells you the warning that you should not have your hands wet, spill liquid. Try to soften the fabric with water because you're gonna lose the pattern, okay? Especially if you saw the cat in the cup where I washed the print, is included in the video. You're gonna notice it that the outside of the fabric, this part of the fabric, is gonna go faster than the part that I stitch it, but it's because the stitch is blocking the color to come out easier. So temporarily you're gonna see the thread kind of look like it's changing color, but it's not. It is the ink on the fabric cloth trying to come out. So if you haven't finished the cross stitch and you spill a liquid on it, it's gonna fade because it doesn't have any thread blocking it, okay? And this is gonna excuse me, this is gonna fade too, especially if you're using this as your guide, okay? So it's very important. I recommend that you watch the cat in the cup video where I watched the printed cloth, and they're telling you you should look at the instructions, read it, and also it tells you how many strands for 11 count and how many strands for the 14 count. And also it tells you something about the measurements. It tells you that the back stitch should be the last thing you do. I recommend, because the back stitch is a single strand and you kind of elongate the stitch. It's not a cross stitch. When one stitch is gonna kind of tighten up the other one, the back stitch should be done after you wash the cloth, because when washing the thread tends to expand a little bit. And it tells you the cleaning and maintenance, plus it gives you a description of the different type of stitch. So this is very complete. This is the second one. Let's go to the third one now. These ones that I have over here, they're Christmassy, and I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. I know I have Christmas stuff and I gotta get going. This one is the bird on the lamp. And I know it's a Christmas because it have that Christmas plant that I forgot to tell to the name on it. Poinsettias. Brain fart. Let me put it fart. Take a look at this beauty. The bird on the lamp and with the poinsettias at the bottom. And I think the one at the top is a holy berry, if I'm not mistaken. That is so beautiful, so gorgeous. The bird on the lamp. It's a 26 by 32. It's 14 counts also. And you know, the ones that I chose usually are a small one because then you can practice. This is gonna have a lot of back stitch. And I don't see any French knots. Take a look at this beauty. I love the bird, the lamp, the colors, everything. Look at that poinsettia. God, gee. Woo! And this one has, for a what? 26 by 32 has 52 colors. Yes, you read correctly, and I'm gonna show you. You heard correctly. 52 colors. It's equaling like one of those big ones, Diamond Art Club diamond paintings. And it has 5 back stitch. Tells you back here the back stitch. Okay, so this one for 26 by 32 and 52 color, this is gonna be beautiful. This is gonna be gorgeous. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it got all kinds of colors. Look at this. And over here, the thread, the size, the edges are threaded, so you don't have how you say it, a fray on the cloth. Over here in this one is marking where the where the back stitch should go. The symbols are very clear. You got symbols all around because these are 52 colors. So let's start up here with the back stitch. But usually when this kind of thing, I go by the chart. All that. This is gonna be a lot of confetti. A lot. Some blocking, you know, where there's these threads. There's gonna be some blocking, but it's gonna be worth it because this is gonna turn out beautiful. Let's look at this trend. I'm so excited about that one too. This is the 2 needles here, and I'm gonna separate this thing because I don't like it. I like you to see it clearly, the strands. This one's gonna have a lot of colors. The colors of the bird, the colors of the lamp, the colors of the poinsettia and the holy berries. Take a look at this. Take a look at those reds. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. Jesus Christ, take a look at this. Beautiful colors. And look at the shine of those threads. I mean, it's not shine as a silk, oh duh, but you know, I heard that silky thread is not a walk in the park to work with, so you have to have a lot of patience. I just want to see, at my age, I just want to see pretty things. Too much ugliness in the world to complicate your life with your craft. And don't worry, the young ones will learn this. And you know, you gotta keep it simple. I kiss with one S because I don't like to call stupid anybody. And I kiss with one S. I keep two S. I kiss simple. Keep it simple, simple. Simple, simple. Those beautiful colors. I'm in love on this one too. I don't know. Oh my God. It's just like I cannot make up my mind which one to start. You know what? I'm going to gather all the autumn ones and be lookout for a video to vote. And which one should I do first? But this is going to be a gorgeous. No wonder it has 52 colors. Look at this. Even has a purple and some blue. You saw them in the strand. The lamp is blue. This is gonna be gorgeous. I'm loving it. I'm loving this one. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm loving it. What do you think I get? An A for my choosing of the cross stitch? Oh, hell yeah. I get an A. This is beautiful. I can't stop looking at it. This is gonna be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the last one, this one is a little bigger. It's a Snowman Family, and I like that. I like family. You know, I have lived in a, well, you gotta come on Tuesdays. Here it is. It's 38 by 34. This is wider and longer. And it's a Snow Family. Look at all those Christmassy colors. Oh my God. This is another beauty one. Oh, Jesus Christ. Take a look. The tree. It even has a snowman dog or cat. That's a snowman cat. That is so cute. A family, a snow family with their pets. And look at the birds over there. Let us know. Oh yeah. 38 by 34. Let's see what we got over here. This one is telling me that it has, this is the shiny one. It's gonna have a lot of backstitch, and I bet, yes, it has some French knot over here, I believe. Okay. This could have been a French knot, this white one, the snow falling. So this is the back. Yeah, there's gonna be some backstitch. Okay, we have 30 colors, full stitch, 1 French knot, 1 half stitch, and 1 backstitch. The number 1 is the French knot. Let's see. I think it's this one at the bottom part. It's a one with the round, because you can have like over here. Here is the perfect sample what I'm talking about. Too bad this is shiny. That is gonna give me probably a little bit of trouble to show you, but let's see. This one is circle. This one is a square. So this one is in French knot format, and this one is full stitch, you know, cross stitch. Okay? Oh my God, I can't. Something that I'm noticing on the half stitch is that they tell you the direction of the stitch. Take a look at this. It's just like you don't have to second guess yourself. And I like that. I like that. If you notice over here, this is a symbol for the half stitch, right? This half stitch comes from 1 to 2, but this one is from 3 to 4. You see the direction of the symbol in the chart, and that's why you should be looking at that, at the chart. You don't second guess on this one. Let's see, before we see it. Here it is. These are not that big though. I don't find them that big. Take a look at it. You know, not like the mermaid. That one is 40 something by 50 something. So let's look at the half stitch over here. I'm trying to see. Give me a minute, just a moment. On this one like this, for half stitch, I suggest you pay attention to the chart. That's my suggestion, because it's a little confusing over here, since the symbol is this for the half stitch, right? And over here, depend on the direction of the symbol. So this one is going from right to left, right? Just like over here. Let me fold this so you will see it. But over here, if you notice, it's going from left to right. So, but over here is kind of a little bit confusing. So I suggest you go by the chart for safe, to keep it safe. Okay? Woo. To keep it safe, I suggest you go by the chart. But this is a cutie. Here are the French knots. There is some color blocking, but there is some confetti, especially around here and around here. Although it's kind of blocking, you know, one color and the other color. I suggest you do this one first, leave the thread hanging, take another needle, do this one, right? Let the thread hanging, and then this one, you pass it between the thread and continue over here and do this one, let the thread hanging. And that's the way I will do it. But this is gonna be another cutie. Let's look at those colors. Oh my God, there's some extras over here. Let me take the extras out. along with the needles. Here are the needles. Here are the needles. Take a look at these blues. These are extra. Look at the shine on those. This is 2 extra 16 and 1 extra 30. Ah, come on. You were doing great. Now you got it. Okay? So here are all the Christmassy and all the colors pertaining to that Snow family. Beautiful colors, blues. Here are more kind of a Christmassy type colors. Okay, here it is. The white for the snow. So this is another cutie for Christmas. What do you know? And oh my God. So this is it. I'm gonna leave you with this. This is the last one, yes. This is the last one. It's a 38 by 34, but it's not that big. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Welcome to the new subscribers with much love. And until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.